Ambidextrous. What's that mean? Definitely something to do with achieving a proficiency of motor functions in the left and right parts of your body, but it's also probably more than that. Ambidexterity requires the mental flexibility to engage in whole brain thinking, weaving together seemingly disparate and abstract cognitive functions into one integrated, holistic action. It's the tall order required by those of us whose interests lie at the intersection of strategic planning and creative execution. To some, that might seem kind of overwhelming. To others, it's just a way of life, how we're wired to be. Ambidextrous.